Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and look great through fasting and whole food nutrition. On this channel, you will find simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. In today's video, I am going to share my easiest and simplest way to DIY the fasting mimicking diet. As you may know, I have been doing the fasting mimicking diet once a month for over 4 months now. And if you would like to learn more about the different recipes and meal plans that I have used, you can check the link that I will create here. But as far as doing the fasting mimicking diet the easy way, I have something that I think you will enjoy today. I mentioned in a previous video that some people simply have a green superfood drink and 2 avocados each day. That's definitely something that you can do, and that would be also super easy. But what I have here, although it is super easy, it does require to assemble some foods. Let me share exactly what it is and how you can create your own fasting mimicking diet and do it spending only a few minutes in the kitchen each day. But before we do that, I would like to give you a quick recap of what the fasting mimicking diet is all about. The fasting mimicking diet is a 5-day fast that gives you the benefits of fasting while you get to eat. So during the 5-day, you are going on a very limited calorie diet and you follow a certain macronutrient ratio. Dr. Walter Longo recommends that you eat about 45% carbs, 45% fat, and 10% protein during your fast. On day 1, you'll be consuming around 1,090 calories, and on days 2 to 5, you'll be consuming around 800 calories. During the fasting mimicking diet, you are keeping your protein ratio low. As I said, it's 10% or around 20 grams. And the reason for that is that a low protein diet encourages autophagy. You may know that autophagy is the term we use to describe the process by which your body is healing itself and cleaning out all the dead cells. Now, in the meal plan that I will be sharing with you today, you will notice that I use less than 45% carbs and I use more than 45% fats. If you check out my other meal plans, you'll see that my other meal plans tend to follow Dr. Walter Longo's macronutrient ratio more closely. With this particular meal plan, I am a bit closer to a ketogenic ratio. And I think that's fine because the ketogenic diet also helps encourage autophagy. It will also help your body get into ketosis faster so you'll feel less hungry. I think it's just an added bonus. So let's get started with our fasting mimicking diet meal plan. On day 1, you get more food. So what you'll be having is a coffee for breakfast and a power shake for breakfast. Now, if you wonder, I'll be mentioning the power shake. If you wonder about what the power shake is, just keep watching and I'll explain more about that later during the video. For lunch, you'll be making a large salad. You'll be using 1 whole head of romaine lettuce, 1 avocado, 1 large cucumber, 4 green olives stuffed with garlic or any type of olive that you like. And you'll be making a homemade dressing using a tablespoon of olive oil. You can add some lemon juice, salt, and garlic. For dinner, you'll be making another salad. And for this other salad, you'll be using 1 head of romaine lettuce, 1 cup of steamed cauliflower, 8 green olives stuffed with garlic, 1 sweet potato roasted in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Again, I use that as a dressing. The macronutrient ratio for the day will be 27% carbs, 66% fat, and slightly less than 10% protein. And your calorie total will be 1,086. And during the rest of your fast, during days 2 to 5, what you will do is still have a coffee for breakfast if you enjoy having a coffee, or otherwise you can just drink tea or whatever beverage you enjoy. And after that, what I like to do is to stretch as much as possible how long I wait until my next meal. And so often I go till 3 to 4 o'clock before I have anything else. And the reason I like to do that is I enjoy not feeling hungry in the evening. For me, that's the hardest time of the day, to feel hungry if I go to bed hungry. And so as I do that, I have my large salad for supper, and I feel really full and satisfied when I go to bed. So when I am ready to eat around 3 or 4, I start with the power shake, and then a bit later I'll make my large salad, which I'll start eating maybe around 4, and then I might take some time to finish it, and I might finish it around 6 or so. For your dinner salad, you'll be using 1 head of romaine lettuce, 2 cups of steamed and seasoned broccoli or cauliflower, 1 large cucumber, 8 green olives stuffed with garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, again in the form of a dressing. And your macronutrient ratio will be 66% fat, 25% carb, and again around 10% protein. And your calorie total will be 818. Now, if you check the link in the description below, you'll find a grocery shopping list that I created for you to make it as easy as possible for you to follow this meal plan. So basically, you'll just have to copy what you'll find there. Another thing I wanted to talk about, I mentioned the power shake. Many fasting mimicking diet meal plans use a green superfood drink as part of whatever you're eating during these 5 days. And the reason for that is it gives you a huge boost of nutrition, and it's low in calorie. And the power shake that I use, I really love it because it keeps me full and satisfied. And it's all made from ingredients that are organic and raw. The ingredients are dehydrated at a temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is even lower than what is required to be called raw. This superfood green drink has made a big difference in my energy level, help for my overall health. Again, if you would like to check it out and possibly purchase it, I will leave a link in the description. In summary, your DIY fasting mimicking diet plan does not have to be complicated. Yes, you can use great and delicious recipes each day and experiment that way. It can be a lot of fun, but you can also keep it simple and really just have a large salad for the whole day and use a similar salad every single day. I know that I've done it both ways. I started with the fancy recipes and I enjoyed that, but now that I've done it this way with not only a higher fat percentage, but also a simple meal and a simple salad each day, I just love it that way. I just feel that it takes some of the pressure off. It feels simpler and more convenient, and also very, very filling. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you found it useful. If you have any question or comments, leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to respond to you. And don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of great videos about the fasting mimicking diet and fasting in general. So if you are interested in learning about fasting, you can also leave me your comments about what else you want to know about, and I'll create some videos for you. Thanks for watching.